Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum. We will draw it ditto same. So it's a question of machine drawing where we have to draw this template. So first I will draw equilateral triangle of side 100. So I will mark 100. I will take the distance 100 and I will cut from here as well as from here. So this is triangle ABC. If you want to name, you can name triangle ABC. After that you have to draw this radius 20. So to draw radius 20, what we should do? We have to draw a parallel line. See, if you see, they have given triangle ABC and they have given radius 20, which is touching line AB as well as AC. So what I need to do, I need to take radius 20 and I'll cut from A as well as from B and anywhere in between from A to B, any point, I will draw one more arc. So I'll get 3 arcs, and when I will draw a line touching all these 3 arcs, see. So what I have done parallel line to line AB. Now the same procedure I will follow for AC. What I will do, I will take radius 20. From C I will cut radius 20. From A I will cut radius 20. And anywhere in between A and C. And I will draw a line touching all these 3 top points. So wherever they meet, from that point we can draw radius 20. Now see, there is one more line, BC. We have to draw parallel to that also because we need curve at the top as well as at the bottom sides. So I'll draw from B. I'll draw from C. Now make sure whenever you draw, it should look like an arc. It should not be like a very tiny arc. It should be a proper arc. And then you join all these 3 curves. So wherever they meet, from that point we draw radius 20. Make sure you take radius 20 in your compass and you draw arc. See, from here also we'll draw arc. And from here also we'll draw arc. So we'll get 3 arcs. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you. Then afterwards you can do dimensioning.